All right, again guys, as you can see here, we have another signal. So another signal on IQ option. I got this yeah, so this one is going down. Let me open a trade. Yeah, this one is going down. Yeah, so here the trade, this candle is going to be a red candle. I got the signal, of course, using my strategy. The strategy is called binary, the binary strategy. Yeah, the binary strategy. The strategy is explained in the course in the description below. If you are interested, you can learn from the course. If you're not, don't worry. There's plenty of good stuff, free stuff on YouTube, on different platforms, on Google. There is free PDFs and free courses, free books you can learn from. In the course, I will teach you everything I learned over the years. So I spent more than 7 years trading forex, trading. So let's take this win. So we are making $430, right? Yeah. So yeah. Okay. The trend will keep going down. Let me take a look. So yeah. So as I was saying, I spent years in trading different stuff like forex, crypto, what binary stocks. So I traded all different style of trading on the mains, and yeah, I learned how the market is acting when the market is facing some resistance, when the market is having some support, when and I was familiar and I found a good strategy, great strategy to use. Yeah, let me check. This one is also going down. Yeah, so using some indicators like the parabolic SAR. This one is the parabolic SAR using, as you can see, using the Bollinger Band. So especially the middle line, the middle Bollinger Band. Also here I'm using, yeah, the next trade will be used with the help of the lower band of the Bollinger Bands, or also the RSI. I use the RSI, and yeah, my way, there is some rules in my strategy that I follow. So the first thing you need to do, so yeah, let's take this win, $340. There's some things that you need to keep in your mind while you are trading a binary option or trading any style of trading. So if you're trading, for example, binary option and you have a good strategy, all right, I'm having my strategy here. My strategy is telling me that this 3 candles, I should open a short position, so a lower position, and I'm opening a trade with $500. Okay, you need to respect, you need to have a lot of discipline when you're taking decisions. If you're taking decisions, you need to respect the decision, otherwise you are going to lose sooner or later. All right, so sooner or later you're going to lose. Because why? Because sometimes there's some emotions involved in your trading. There's some yeah, some hope. If I'm opening here, perhaps I will not respect the rules here, perhaps, you know. So you need discipline, never ever. Yeah, so let's put 800. All right, now the market is flipping a little bit. That's okay, it's flipping a little bit. All right, so great. Yeah, so as I was saying, you need to respect the rules of your strategy. You need to have a good strategy at first. First, you need to have a good strategy. Second, you need to respect the your strategy, the rules. So there is a lot of discipline involved in your trading. Also, I need you to be careful. Don't listen to those giving you signals. I I will never sell you signals. I never sold signals to anybody, and I will never sell you signals. If there is some people pretending to be me, and uh, offering signal service, please leave. This is fake. They will scam you. They will take your money. So please, please, please avoid. Yeah, here. So please avoid those people. If you need to make signals, you need to make them by yourself. Make your own signals. Use a good strategy. Learn a good indicator. Master a good indicator. Master a good strategy. Um, and never depend on anybody else. Trust me, never depend on anybody else. They will only take your money. They only need your money. So they will give you wrong signals, fake signals, sometimes working, sometimes not. But if you have your own strategy, a good strategy, you master some indicators. There's MACD, Fibonacci. There's different moving averages. The EMAs. There is RSIs. There is the parabolic SARs, Bollinger Bands. There's plenty of good indicators out there. There's even some paid indicators. I don't advise you to buy indicators. Use the free ones and focus on the chart patterns. The chart patterns are one of the best stuff that you can use while you trade in your style. I don't know, your domain, crypto or forex. Or, yeah. Wait a minute. All right. Let's put. Let's go back. Let's go. Right. Interested in this. Yeah, I'm interested in this one. So there is plenty good stuff that you can learn from that are free. There's free courses, but of course, if you want advanced stuff, you need to buy at least a course. You need to buy at least a book or something. I'm not inviting you to buy mine. Anyway, you can do it, but I'm not telling you to do it. You can find other courses. Choose good ones. Choose the ones that that you trust. And the third thing. So first, you need a good strategy. Second, you need to respect and put a lot of discipline on your strategy. The third thing is to choose the good platform, the best platform for you. So I don't advise you to use iqoption. There's plenty. I'm not affiliated by iqoption, but if you are interested, there's also pocket option. There is, I don't know, there binary.com. There's plenty other platforms that allows binary option. There's also platforms that allows or exchanges that allows crypto trading. Also, you can trade forex on other platforms. You need to do a research on the platform before depositing any penny. Don't deposit any money on the platform before doing your own research on the platform, because most of them are not reliable. There's a lot of bad stuff about those platforms. So first you need to have, or you need to decide on the best platform available. All right. Okay, this one was like the key for me. This was the key for my signal. All right, this one was the key for my beautiful signal. I guess we have in one or two signals to trade with. I guess no, I will open another trade. Or you know what, I guess I still have more. Yeah, I guess I still have more. So yeah, I still have more trades to open. Yeah, this one. So the market is having a little bit of a correction, a little bit of a reversal. So bullish reversal. Yeah. So as I was saying, I get this signal using parabolic SAR, using the MACD, using the moving average here, using the RSI. So don't worry, everything is explained in the course in the description below, how to use these indicators, how to manage your balance, manage the risk, how to take care of your account, especially how to protect your account, because sometimes iqoption will give you really hard time letting you withdraw your money from their platform. But anyway, you need to be careful there. Don't make, I don't know, 1,000% from your investment without depositing the same amount of the total of your balance. So if you made $10,000, please, before withdrawing or trying to withdraw your $10,000, please deposit $10,000 and then take all. If you made $100, for example, deposit $100 before you withdraw the $100, and then withdraw the total, which is $200. Yeah, sorry. So that's how you're supposed to do while trading on this session. Yeah, great. All right, here this one is going to be a red. This one is going to be a red candle. The market is dropping. There's a line here. All right, this one is going to be a red. I'm sure about this one. This candle is dropping. So last seconds. So take a look. Last seconds, we're making $688. So guys, remember, this is not financial advice. This video is made for entertainment purposes only. I'm not trading like this to tell you that you will make the same results if you use my strategy. No, guys, you need to put a lot of efforts. You need to invest a lot of time on on yourself in order to make good results. This is a simulation of what is possible to be done with trading binary option. This is not guaranteed for you. So please take your time before you start trading. Be prepared spiritually, psychologically, and yeah, be prepared that you will spend a lot of time on this stuff before doing before doing anything. Yeah, amazing. Let's open the last one. Yeah, let's open another trade. I don't know, let's see. All right, great. So we opened the trade with $800, sorry, and we're making around $688. So that's 86%. Yeah, so we're sitting at 120k, and I believe that we can do more. Please remember, all the trades on this channel are not a guarantee results for you. This is a simulation. Great. So last trade. Last trade. Yeah, I guess that's it. We are at much 15 minutes. It's coming down. Yeah, this candle was created. Yeah, around $9,000. Beautiful, right? Around 9,000 beautiful dollars. All right, take care.